You know the vibes. It's a Friday. The weekend is here, and we have worked all week long. And now it's time to celebrate with some of my absolute favorite recipes. And they all happen to involve seafood. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get the party started. Speaking of party started, look at what I have. I have a delicious roux that I've been stirring for the last 15, 20 minutes. And what you want to do is you want it nice, dark skin roux, almost like chocolate. Standing by, I have some onion, bell pepper, and celery, all diced and ready to go. So I'm gonna throw this right into the roux. I'm gonna let that cook just for a few moments. All right, I've got some water standing by, so I'm gonna throw the water right in here. And then we can give this a good stir. Gumbo's looking good. Now it's time to season it. You can put whatever seasoning you want in your gumbo, but I'm gonna show you what goes in mine. A little old school, a little new school that makes the perfect taste profile. You gotta give it a try, all right? So I got some chicken bouillon that I'm gonna add in first. All right, now to the chicken bouillon, I've got some Cajun seasoning. Use your favorite kind. And some garlic powder. If I'm adding garlic powder, I'm also gonna add some onion powder, a little bit of ground bay leaf. Herbs de Provence or Italian seasoning, something I love in my gumbo. Also, not very traditional, is a little bit of ground fennel, but hey, red pepper flake. And one thing you must have in any gumbo is some filet. So here is my gumbo filet. Let's give that a quick stir. Got some fresh cracked black pepper. And then we'll just let this simmer 10 or 15 minutes so all the flavors get a chance to combine. While this is simmering, I'm gonna add in some fresh garlic as well. And then we can give this a stir. Now, I don't know how true it is, but there was somebody who told me that when you make gumbo, you don't put garlic in gumbo. And I said, listen, I don't know about you, but garlic definitely goes in my gumbo. And that is the beauty of a good gumbo. You can season it however you like. You can throw in whatever ingredients you love. Just make sure that if you're gonna make gumbo, you're making it from the heart so that you can reach the heart. Look at that, gumbo is looking great. It is simmered. So now I'm just gonna take some shrimp and I'm gonna throw the shrimp right into the gumbo. Along with that shrimp, I've got some snow crab legs. All right, I'm gonna get in here and spoon some of the gumbo in first. Add some rice right in the middle of it. Then we can garnish with some fresh chopped scallion. And I just got a little sprinkle of Cajun seasoning. Last but certainly not least is our gumbo crab and shrimp. Okay, who's excited? I am. I'm just mixing it up with the rice so I can get in here and get a good bite. It's hot. All right. Well, listen, this thing has been simmering for a long time and it tastes just like it. I don't know about you, but I got a whole plate of food to get to. So listen, recipes like this, they're going to be available on the Darius Cooks Plus app. You can download it today wherever you get your apps, either Google Play or Apple. There's two things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking. From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.